Hello guys, welcome to this beautiful video. This is UJ Academy. All right, we want to predict what will be happening on GBPUSD, EURUSD and gold for next week. Remember next week we have NFP news as well too. So the non-farm payroll news will be coming up on Friday, every first Friday of every new month. All right, so start from GBPUSD. Let's know what GBPUSD is currently doing, and we'll slightly move towards EURUSD, and then lastly we'll also end with the gold, the XAUUSD. All right, first, from the layout structure I've already set out here, you can see that GBPUSD is currently buying. It's pushing, is gaining momentum upward. Formerly it was gaining momentum upwardly, and then it came down to retest this breaker block down here. But there's something that happened. This is in daily time frame. You can see this is in daily time frame. So when it came down to retest this breaker block, something happened here. It broke through that breaker block, which is supposed to happen. So breaking through that breaker block means it has there's a change of character. The change of character right here. So now being a change of character means we need to start looking out for a sell setup, not longer a buy setup. So now, what I predicted last time was I actually need this sell. We trade like the smart money. We trade like the market maker. Actually need this market to come over here, then push down before we enter, or possibly go up, clear liquidity up here, and then start pushing down. That's what we are expecting the GBPUSD to be doing by tomorrow. That's what we expect GBPUSD to be doing. So this is the daily time frame. So let's quickly go over to EURUSD to see what will happen in EURUSD. So let's search for EURUSD. This trade will be valid on Monday. I'll also do an analysis on Thursday against the NFP news, so do well to watch out for that analysis. So this is the EURUSD right here. So let's check what's going to be happening on the EURUSD. So we'll first of all do a top-down analysis from the daily time frame. Let's stick to daily time frame first. So from the daily, we can easily see that this was the highest high the market made. This is the highest high the market made. So from that highest high market, that was around 1.05967, and markets tried to pull to that price, but market didn't get to that price. The last price I can see right here is the 1.05844. That's almost the highest price. Just little things left to get to the highest price. So it started crushing down to a sell. So how do we get the structure of the market? So we come right here. Remember that we need to have three time frame for analysis: the 4 hours time frame, and then the 1 hour time frame for confirmation. Then lastly we enter our trade from the 15 minutes. So coming right here to 4 hours time frame, what I can see here is a kind of a head and shoulder pattern forming. And also, guys, also remember that the GBPUSD, EURUSD behaves alike. if GBPUSD is buying, EURUSD is buying for long now, for I think since this year, they have been behaving similarly. So now for what I'm seeing on the EURUSD is I'm seeing a kind of a head and shoulder pattern trying to form. So this is a head and shoulder pattern trying to form right here. You can see the head here, you can see the shoulder here, and you know the head and shoulder pattern is a strong structure in the market, right? Head and shoulder pattern is a strong structure in the market, which really means that is a reversal structure in the market. So now what else should we look out for? Since the head and shoulder pattern is forming, let's try to use the ICT concept to determine our structure. So we're going to reset our chart so that we can get a bigger picture of what the chart is doing. So from with the ICT concept, I'll pull out my trend line and then I mark the structure. So we already have a template, so let's call it we'll call this break of structure. We'll call that break of structure. So I think that's what is currently forming. Then we'll clone that, clone it over here. So from this alone, I can easily tell that the market is kind of trying to push up, but let's know what the general structure is. So let's clone that. So with this alone, I can tell you that the market is kind of pushing up. Yeah, it's kind of pushing up. So how do we enter this trade? How do we place a trade by Monday? How do we join this trade? Should we just what should we look out for? What's our confluence? What can we mix to enter this trade? So let's go over to the 15 minutes to see what's happening in the 15 minutes. So from the 15 minutes, you can see it's really buying from the 15 minutes. So from the 15 minutes right here, we're going to be marking out our change of character. We're marking our change of character here. So from this 15 minutes now, what the market will be. This is our change of character here. And that's our change of character. So from Monday, what we are expecting to happen is if this market should come down here a little bit, shouldn't break through the structure. If this market breaks through the structure, then you should be looking out for a sell setup, which is exactly what we need to happen. So we need this market to break through this structure, push up a little bit, and then we join. So the EURUSD, the GBPUSD has been behaving similarly for quite some time now. So what we are looking at for now is actually a sell structure. Market should break through this change of character, and then come up a little bit again, then give us our sell signal. downwardly. So this is what we're expecting to happen in Euro USD by Monday. So you can set your stop loss right here, 15 pips or 10 pips, then you target 50 pips or 60 pips. So that's really what I'm expecting to happen in the market by Monday for Euro US. So let's check what gold will be doing. So this is gold chart, right? So start from the daily time frame. Let's understand what is happening from the daily time frame. Let's remove all the drawings. So from the daily time frame, I'm already seeing the head and shoulder pattern on daily time frame. So you can actually train your eyes to see this. You can actually train your eyes to see things for yourself. So I'm seeing the head and shoulder pattern from the highest time frame. So let's get the structure of the market. The market has actually was buying up to this price. Market bought up to 2,811.404. So you can see the market actually came down, broke structure, went up, could not break above this high, at least with body. It broke with wick. You can see it broke through with wick. Okay, I think it actually broke with body, but still came down again. The last movement couldn't break above this before the market closed. So what we should be looking at for right here is, let's come down to 1 hour to see what's going on. What I notice here is the market is it forms an order block. It is another block here. I just saw an order block. You zoom this. This is an order block. I want this pair to come up right here. Come up right here, clear liquidity right here, then push down to a sell, push down to a deep sell. That's what I'm looking out for, but I will still give you a further confirmation on Monday when I see the last movements in the market. So guys, from what I'm currently seeing on gold will likely sell with this heavy candle presence I'm seeing here right here. Gold will likely sell, and the candles, if you check very well, there's a fair value gap. There's an imbalance which the market will definitely come to fill up, which is what the market is currently doing. So that's why I'm saying that market will come. What we are expecting market to do right here for us to pick a trade is for us to see this clear of liquidity over here. Definitely market will need to clear liquidity, then finally give us change of character, not able to break through the structure, then go up again, possibly then join this trade. This is what we are expecting market to do by next week. come up here, clear liquidity up here. So if we don't see that clearing of liquidity, we are not joining this trade. So for gold, I'm still going to be selling on gold. So you can as well test my signal on your demo account before you enter it, but this is exactly what should be happening on gold from next week. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, do well to subscribe to this video, click on the like button, share to whoever you know is trading forex or is struggling in forex. Let them join this community. Come back every day. I'll be dropping day by day market prediction on GBPUSD, EURUSD and gold. Alright guys, see you next video. Peace out.